Hello everyone, this is the Blue Sky English School team. I am your host and the director of the Blue Sky English School, Vishal Chauhan. And now we are going to welcome principal of the Blue Sky English School and well known for his English expertise, Lakshman sir. Welcome Lakshman sir.
Thank you, thank you.
So we are going to ask some cross question with Lakshman sir. Lakshman sir, you are promising that each and every student will speak all to all English. And you know very well that most of the boys come from Bhojpuri background, and you are not going to make them at pure Hindi level, but you are promising that you will do them at that level that they will speak all to all English. So how will you make this possible? तो लक्ष्मण सर, हमारा प्रश्न ये है कि आप जो ये वादा करते फिर रहे हैं कि आप सभी बच्चों को इंग्लिश बोलना सिखाएंगे, ये जानते हुए कि सारे बच्चे भोजपुरी बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, तो अगर उनको आप खड़ी हिंदी बोलना सिखाते हैं या ऐसा माहौल मेंटेन करते हैं तो वो एक बड़ी बात होती है, लेकिन आप बोल रहे हैं कि आप ऑल टू ऑल इंग्लिश में बात करवाएंगे, तो इसके पीछे आपकी स्ट्रेटजी क्या होगी या फिर आप इस चीज़ को कैसे प्राप्त करेंगे अपने लक्ष्य को? थैंक यू लक्ष्मण सर, प्लीज़.
Thank you for this giving opportunity that I can speak anything, and I can make them understand that how can do this hard work. I think that this is not hard work. This is very simple for me. I think that how they will speak English directly. They do not know the Hindi. They do not know Hindi language as well. But I think that they can speak. If they will feel that they are in compulsion, it is compulsory that they will speak English. They have to speak English only. Okay? It will be very simple. Suppose that I want to give you an example. Suppose that you are a person, you belong from, you can say you belong to a villager area, and you will speak only Bhojpuri.
Yes.
You do not know Hindi as well, and you do not know the first word of English. Only you speak Bhojpuri. Okay?
Yeah.
Suppose that anyone will take you and he will drop in America, in London. Okay?
Yeah.
You do not know any word and you have gone in America. And you are sleeping as well, and when you will wake up next day, you will find that you were in America, in London. Yes? And there you cannot speak Bhojpuri. If you speak, then no one will understand it. That what are you saying and what are you doing? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So first of all, what you will feel? You will feel thirsty. You will feel thirsty. I want to give you an example that what is the compulsion. Okay, how will you speak? You will first you will feel thirsty. प्यास लगेगी आपको. And what you will find out? What you will find? You will try to search water anywhere. I can get water. I can get water. Then you will go and I want to say you that you cannot get water anywhere in America that as you can get in India. आप जैसे इंडिया में पा जाते हैं वैसे और हर अमेरिका में नहीं पाएंगे आप पानी. ऐसा मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. Only you can get the water in the shops. There you will get in bottle. Okay. Only you can buy the water, okay? And you will go and you do not know what is the meaning of water and what is the meaning of bottle. Yes, only you know the Bhojpuri language. You will say to shopkeeper, भैया वो जो है थोड़ा पानी दे दीजिए. Okay?
Yes.
Then he will say that, what are you saying, man? What are you saying? What are you asking for? I cannot understand. I am not understanding what are you saying. वो बोलेगा क्या कह रहे हो भाई, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तुम क्या मांग रहे हो? तो आप बोलेंगे पानी, because you do not know what is the meaning of water. What is the meaning of पानी का meaning क्या होता है? You do not know what. This is the meaning of water is the meaning of पानी. Yes, I like this. I want to say. So you will say that पानी. You will sign by your hands. I want this. I want this. Then he will say water, water. Then you will realize that you will understand water. I see. इसे पानी water कहते हैं पानी को. I want to ask you, will you forget it? Will you forget it?
No, never, because इफ आई विल नॉट नो दैट दिस इज वाटर देन आई विल डाई। अगर मैं जानूंगा नहीं कि ये वाटर है तो मुझे मरना पड़ेगा भाई। इससे अच्छा है कि मैं सीख लूं ये वाटर है।
You will have to die, or you can say, you have to say again, you will so like this pani. So this is the compulsion that you'll feel that we should know English there, because if you have to live, यदि आपको रहना है, you have to be alive, आपको जिंदा रहना है, then you have to speak English. This is the compulsion, ये आपकी मजबूरी है। So I want to create the environment like this, that if you want to learn, if you want to read in English school, then you have to speak English, neither you have to keep silent. Okay, so this is your compulsion. Always a clever boy will say, any weaker boy, that this is water. He will listen, water, 1 day, 2 days, 2nd day, 3rd day, 4th day. After 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, he will understand that this is water. This is water. As this, he will understand every word. वो सारे वर्ड इसी तरह सीख जाएगा। It will take some time, ये समय लगेगा इसमें, but he will speak English. And without compulsion, बिना मजबूरी के nothing can happen, कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है।
Okay, so I will summarize the answer of प्रिंसिपल सर। मोटी मोटा प्रिंसिपल सर का ये कहना था कि जो मैं सबसे पहले इंग्लिश को बोलना अपने स्कूल में मैंडेटरी कर दूंगा। मैंडेटरी मीन्स या तो आप इंग्लिश बोलोगे या तो आप साइलेंट रहोगे। तो आप जानते हैं कि जो क्लेवर बॉय होते हैं वो इस चीज़ को तुरंत कैच करेंगे और इसको वाटर बोलना स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेकिन जो वीकर्स बॉय हैं, जो थोड़े कमज़ोर बच्चे हैं, वो एक बार में इस चीज़ को नहीं कर पाएंगे। मगर जब वो एक बार सुनेगा, 1 टाइम सुनेगा, 2 टाइम सुनेगा, 3 टाइम सुनेगा, 10 टाइम सुनेगा, 20 टाइम सुनेगा, क्योंकि उसको अब इंग्लिश मैंडेटरी है तो उसको हमेशा ये सुनने को मिलेगा कि इसको लोग पानी नहीं वाटर बोल रहे हैं। अगर मैं पानी बोलूँगा तो लक्ष्मण सर पकड़ के फिर मेरी धुलाई कर देंगे। तो इनफैक्ट उसको वाटर बोलना ही पड़ेगा और डेफिनेटली ही विल लर्न दैट दिस इज वाटर। सो ये स्ट्रेटजी है सर की, चीज़ों को मैंडेटरी किया जाएगा, फिर जो बच्चे तेज हैं वो चीज़ को कैप्चर करेंगे, फिर पीछे वाला बच्चा जो है वो आगे वाले बच्चे उसको ऑटोमेटिक आगे खींच लेंगे।